On the 5th day of STEADFest, City Steading gave to me
5 triple scale hydrometers. These are the fragile ones, so I don't want to throw them around. All right, these are the glass triple scale hydrometers. If you want a chance to win one of these, see the link in the description below and enter for your chance to win. Now, one rule is you must live in the continental United States, or you must be shipping it to the continental United States.
Yeah.
That's the rule. Because otherwise there's legalities, there's problems, we can't just do it. But if you're not sure what the heck I'm talking about at all, we created our own holiday and it's called STEADFest. Happens on December 20th when we're gonna announce all of the winners of all these. It also happens to be Derica's birthday. She's gonna be 22.
So we have created 8 days of celebration where each of those 8 days we're giving away an item, going from 8 of a certain item to the final day of one special item. So make sure you keep watching and fill out that form so you can win as much as possible.
And if you do not live in the continental United States, I'm very sorry, but please still celebrate STEADFest. It's for everybody.